Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with part 2 of my Sizzix haul. So this one I'm only showing one die. I thought I was ready with a second die, but I'm not. So I'm just going to show this one, which is good because this is a really good one. So I had seen, I want to say Bona from Live Love Scrap had used this die, but she had made like a little, like a fold out, like some kind of accordion thing. I didn't do that. She did something completely different. I didn't do that. I just kind of used the die as is. It's a fabulous die. So I saw it on Instagram and I went to Amazon and it was, I don't know how much it was, $16 or something to that effect. It was a little pricey. I just happened to be on Sizzix because I was going to buy some things because they were having a sale. And I looked this die up and it was, I want to say $4 or $6. It's super cheap. So I was very, very excited to get it. So this die comes with a couple of pieces. You have a couple of pieces, like little, I don't know what you call these, little mats or like for sentiments. And then it has this die right here, and I'll show you where that one goes. So it's really easy. I love it because there's not tons of pieces. I've just got one. I did buy a couple of dies that have a ton of pieces, and I really am not a fan of those. I really like dies that are smaller. So I made it into like a little, it's like a card or like a booklet. It could be whatever you want, but that's what I did. So I used that little mat piece for the front because I thought I was going to use this for the middle, but I chose not to, so it just kind of didn't work. But again, I'm using paper from the Hip Hip Hooray or the Hooray paper from Crate Paper that I had gotten at Tuesday morning, the 12 by 12 one-sided sheets. So because it's one-sided, I had to cut 2 different papers and then glue those 2 papers together, which gives it, you know, a little bit more sturdiness. But using double-sided paper, I think, is probably better for this type of card, but, you know, that's just kind of what I did. So I used You're an Amazing Friend. The sentiment, I believe, one of the stamp sets from my stash. I'm not exactly sure which one. But this is from, I think I have it on my desk right here. I love, love, love these Anyas. So this is the Greening Farm. This particular one is called Miss Anya Crop. That's the one that I used. And so here she is. I colored her in with my Copics. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. So you can see how you need to cover it up. So I did the that piece as well on the inside. And then I used this Happy Birthday Greening Farm die for the inside. And I think that's very cute. So then this one is folded the opposite way. So you see this one's folded this way, and then this one's folded that way. So, and for this one, I used a cut apart from the paper collection. And this is a chipboard piece from another Crate Paper collection that I happen to have in my stash. So you open it up, and then what I did here was I had cut this piece, and then I had the cut apart, and I laid it on top, and then I ran it through again so that it would cut, so it would fit right on here. So that's kind of what I did there. So that's a cut apart from the collection as well. And so just a quick and easy little card. You could make this into a pocket and put a gift card in it. You could have this be an accordion that folds in, put pictures or decorate even more. There's a lot of things you can do with this die. This die is fabulous. I'm super excited that I was able to get it at such a good price. And the name of this die, this is the Jen Long, let's see if it tells me the name of this die. It's called the Ornate Label Fold Along Die. So if that's something that you want to find, you could do that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.